So in this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to Pixellab. So this is the app. This is how the icon looks like after you download it. So you click on it and this is the interface that you are going to see. So this is the interface. This is how Pixellab looks like. I'm going to give you an introduction to the various tools and features of the app and how they are used, and after that we are going to design a very simple brand ID, very simple, so that you can see how to go about it. So first of all, I'm going to clear everything. All right. So what you see here, this white space here, is your working space. That is where everything goes, whether your text, your design, your images, everything. This is where everything is done. Okay, I'm going to come down here. There are some icons here. I'm going to explain them to you. They form the basis of knowing how to use Pixellab. So these are the basic icons that you need to know. I'm going to start and take them one by one. The first one here will show you the default templates that Pixellab has. So the default templates that Pixellab has, default ones. So when you click on it, this is what you are going to see. So you see here, default thing. These are default templates that anyone at all can start using them. But normally we prefer to start from the last one, the white one that has nothing on it. So the next part you are going to move to is the A here, the capital A here. This is where you can include your text, do modifications to your text and edit it. Yes, let me click on it. So when you click on it, you see text and code. See text and code. So when you want to add a text to your working space here, and you see it has shown a new text. It has shown it as a new text. All right. And now, how do you add a text to the working space? You just click on it, click on the new text, and then you click on edit here. Click on edit, and then you can type your text here. So I'm going to type welcome to TJ Graphics. Alright, so this is my text. When it becomes slide, you just increase this side, increase it. This is my text, and I'm going to, you can also move your text to any part of the screen that you want. So I move it to here, I move it here, and here at the text you can do a lot of modifications to your text. You can change the position, the size of your text. You can see as I move this, the size increases, the size reduces. Let me put it back to where it was initially. You can change the color of the text. You can change the color, so any color that you want, you can change it. I'm going to make my own black and leave it like that. You can change the opacity. You can change the font. The font is the different fonts that you want. So when you start with your pixel, these are the fonts that are going to be there. You can click on any of them. I'm going to use Amarad bold. You click on it, so you see the font of your text has changed. You can change the style, whether to make it italic or to make it bold. I'm going to make it italic so that we can understand. So you click on this one here to save the changes that you have done. So I'm going to click on it. As you can see, welcome to TJ Graphics is there. So anytime that you want to add a text, this is how to go about it. Now the next part that will go is this one. It's this one right here. And it consider anything aside text, whether image, shape. You can do the editing here. So image, shape, anything at all, you can go ahead and then include it within this place. So when you click on it for the first time, these are what you are going to see. These are what you are going to see there. Yes. The first one is stickers. When you click on it, I'm just going to see the second one. The second one is the more usable one. Click on import. When you click on import, what you do is that maybe you have an image from your gallery that you want to use as part of your design. Then when you click on import, what it's going to do is that it's going to take you to your gallery, and you're going to go there and select any image that you want to use. So go to your gallery, select any image that you want to use. in this case any picture of yourself that you want to use. So I'm going to select my image. All right, so now when you come to this part, I want to show you something here. This is where you do some modifications to your image before you actually send it to your working space. What I'm going to let you do is I'm going to let you click on this circle here. It's going to crop the image into a circle form and make the image circular instead of being rectangular. So I'm going to click on it. As you can see, the image is now circular. Very nice, and you can adjust it how you want it. After that, you click on this to save it, and then it's going to send everything to you. So you see, now you have your image and then it's floating on the working space. You can move it anywhere you want. All you have to do is click on it, hold it, and move it anywhere you want. So I'm going to put it in the middle like this. Now another thing you can do is that you can do modification to this image. As I said, this side is for the images and shape. You can do modifications to this image. So you see the position, you can shift the position. As I'm doing, it's shifting, you can see it. As I'm moving this one, it's shifting. You can change the size, go to relative size. So you see, the more you increase it, the more it goes like that. So you put it at the size that you personally would want as part of your design. You can color the image. So when you click on it, you see the whole image is colored, but we don't want that in this our design. But I just want to show you that you can actually do that. All right, and then you can filter the image. You want to change the hue. This is like editing the image to make it look how you want it to look. You don't want to if you want to use it, you can go ahead. The next part here, this is the stroke. So the stroke, what it does is that when you consider the image, the outline of the image, it adds an additional layer of color to the outline. So when you click on enable here, you're going to see a lot of colors. You can choose which one that you want. I'm going to choose black here. I'm going to choose black, and then you're going to scroll down. You're going to see stroke weight. You're going to increase it to about 10. So you see, now it has, and then you're going to click on OK. So you see, this is the image now. Now you have added an outline of a color to the image, and it makes it look very nice. So this is what this button is used for. This is why it is used for image, your shapes, anything at all, you can use it. Now the next one that we are going to go to is the background. The background is very important. In fact, before you start your design, your background should be the first thing that. All right, so this shape here that looks like two squares that have been fused together, it's where you do modifications to your background. I'm going to click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see color, transparent, image, from gallery, from camera. I'm going to take them one by one. So when you click on color, you're going to see a list of different colors there. So this is going to show you which color you want to use for your background. So maybe you want red, you want black, you want white. Which color you want to use for your background, any color at all that you want to use for your background, you can select it here. And use it. I'm going to use this blue one. So any color you want, you can use your favorite color, any color you want. The next one here is the transparent here. Maybe you are doing the design, you don't want a background for the design, you want it to be transparent. You click on transparent, and you see the background has just disappeared. It has become transparent. But our own, we want it to be there, so don't put it on transparent, put it on color, and let's move on. All right, another one is your image size. As I said, you need to set up your background, and this is the image size, the size of the design that you want to make. So when you take a Facebook flyer, Instagram, YouTube thumbnail, they all have different sizes. Thankfully, Pixellabs have some custom ones here. So when you are doing a design, you research the size and then you input it. But here we are going to select custom and leave it like that. Okay, another one here is image. Maybe you want to use an image as the background. You see, image as the background. I think this one is very nice. Image as the background like this. So this is inbuilt for Pixellab inbuilt that you can use. The next one is maybe you downloaded a background from your gallery and you want to use that one. Then you click on from gallery. Here you are going to see from gallery. That means the image you are going to select is going to be the one you are picking from your gallery. So I've clicked on from gallery, and I'm going to select the image that I want to use for my background. Any image at all that you want to use for your background, you can use it. I'm going to select this one and use it for the background. So you click on OK. Alright, you see, as you can see, the background has changed. The background has changed into the image that I selected, into the image that I selected. But I'm just using this one to teach you. So we are going to just go back and then leave it like this. Leave it like this. This is the back. You do a mistake and you want to change it or you want to go back, this is the one you use. Alright, now the next part is this one. It is used after you have made a design to help do some editing, make sure you get the final touch, something looking nice, as you can see. So you have saturation, hue, brightness, drive, noise. You can play with it. Okay, so I'm going to come to this side now that I'm done with the basic icons. This plus so anytime you are designing, maybe you want to add a new text to the design, you click on the plus. You see we have text, current day, sticker, shapes from gallery, draw. Anytime you click on the text, it's going to add a new text. You can see a new text has been added here, a new text. So this is the text that you are going to use. I want to add a new text, I want to type something, so this is what I'm going to use. So you click on the new text, you double click, and you can now edit, clean what is there and write what you want. So say Tony. So I want you to write your name there, don't write my name. Say Tony graphics designer, and then you click on OK, you can use this one side to increase it or reduce it, so say Tony graphics designer. So this is it. And anytime, as I said, whenever you want to deal with a text, you come to the A here, so we click on the A, and then we are coming to do modifications to this text that we have written. We're coming to change the color to black. It's white, we are coming to change it to black. So you go to color, you change it to black. You see it's like black. We are going to change the font to you scroll, you are going to see font here. Click on font, you select Amara bold, click on OK. So you see the color has changed and everything. And then you want to do another text, but we don't want to go straight away and go and click on new text. So you come here, you are going to see copy here, copy. So click on copy, you are going to see that it has been copied. Here. So what you do is you tap on it, you bring it way down here, and you double click it to edit it. So when you double click, the old one is going to come like it. Now you delete it, and now you type what you want to type, call or WhatsApp at 0591892408. You click on OK. So you see you now have your new text here, and you didn't go through the long process. So the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to make sure you align everything and make it look nice. So when you click on this one, since it's a text, you have to be on the A side. So you be on the A side, you scroll, you go to relative position, and then you click on put it at middle. So you see put it at middle, this one, you click on it, and then you come to say Tony graphics designer 2, you click on it, go to relative position, you click on this one, it's now in the middle, and then you come to the last text, click on relative position, you put it at the middle. Now follow the instructions I'm saying carefully. So you see we have our design very nice like this. Now the next thing is how to save it. So you click on this one, this little icon here, and you're going to see two options: save as project and save as image. So maybe you are doing it and you want to go somewhere and come back, you click on save as project, and then you type the project name, welcome to TJ. So that will be your project name, but it has not saved to your gallery. So if you want to save it to your gallery and save it as an image at your gallery, you click on save as image. So you see save as image, that's the one right there, save as image. Now you're going to see these options here, JPG. So when you click on, you're going to see JPG and PNG. We'll talk about it later. Leave it at JPG, and then when you come here, you are going to see custom. You can put it at high. This is the quality of the image that you want. After that, you click on save to gallery, and it will be saved to your gallery. So you see image saved. So that is how Pixellab actually works. It's very interesting, very interesting. Now how do you see the image that you have saved? You are going to go to your gallery, and you are going to go to your images. you're going to search for Pixellab, Pixellab. You have to search for. You're going to search for it. So you see Pixellab. Under Pixellab, the designs, all the design you did under Pixellab will be there. So when you click on it, so this is the image that we just designed. Very, very, very nice. And so do your own and send it, and put your information there. Don't put my information. All right.